Today I'm going to be showing you how to take a Procreate artwork and turn it into a GIF that you can use on Instagram. Before you can get started, you have to make sure that you have a GIPHY account. And once you have an account, then you need to make sure that you apply for an artist account. So you have to go to their website and search apply for an artist channel, and they give you all of the information. It takes a day or two usually to get back. You have to have a profile picture, and then you have to have 5 or more GIFs or stickers uploaded to be able to be approved. So that's all background stuff to do. In Procreate, we're gonna save this PNG so I can do this. I like to do square images. So now we can insert, add, insert a photo. There we go. I turn the background off because otherwise then you have a giant white background on your image. So you duplicate it a few times, however many times you want, and then you can go in and adjust them a little bit, and so it looks like this right now. This is just a simple one. The next thing you need to do is you need to go to share. In Procreate they have, you can share the whole image or layers. I do animated GIF, and it automatically comes up as at 15 frames per second, which is pretty fast. So I like to go down, I usually go down, depending on what it is, between 2 and 5. Like even this is a little bit fast, but it's not horrible. I leave dithering alone because I don't know per frame color palette. I leave alone. I do want a transparent background, and I pretty much leave everything alone. The only thing I change is the frames per second. And then what you do is you export, and on the iPad it should pop up with the GIPHY app. And usually it automatically exports it. So it doesn't always work the first time. Sometimes it takes some playing. And it might be because it's too big. It does need to be under a certain, okay, there it went that time. It does need to be under a certain amount, and I can't remember off the top of my head the limit. But if it doesn't work, you can go back and try size. So then we upload. You can upload to GIPHY, public or private. Because I want people to use them, I leave it public, and then I add my tags, and I can do it with my pencil or I can type it in. So I just pick some tags, oops, camera, there we go. Cactus. I usually add my Instagram handle so that people can find it that way. I don't know what people search for. Potted plant. So then do that. You have to have it checked that you agree to their terms of service, and then upload. And it takes a little bit of time. Most of making GIFs is just waiting for it. So like if I try and refresh, see it pops up here. So we can open it. I gotta figure out the quality. I think it's because I'm coming from Procreate, so it kind of ruins the quality a little bit. But underneath, you'll notice it says pending moderation. So they're checking to make sure that the text doesn't have anything that goes against their terms and services. So once they do it, it automatically, once you have the artist channel, should be available on Instagram. It takes, like I said, a day or two to be approved, and then it takes a day or two, well, depending on how busy they are, the GIF could be available anywhere from 1 hour to 1 day. I've had it go up pretty quick, and I've also had it take several hours. But they're usually pretty good about checking things. So that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. And I hope this helps. It's a really simple process, especially with the Procreate being able to do it. You might be able to also do video. I haven't tried this. So if we did this and uploaded it, that might improve the quality. Oh my. I think that improves the quality. I may have just figured it out. Okay, we'll add the tags again. Potted plant. I don't know why I enjoy saying that one. My name. Okay, this is my testing. I am testing right now to see if the quality is better. I mean, the edges look more smoothed on this. But the real test will be on Instagram. So I will have to update and see how that does. So anyways, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, comment, DM me. I'm super happy to help figure things out. Especially because usually I learn something new too. So I will talk to you later.